Welcome to Gear versus Gear. The best Henry Schein is probably one of the most crucial decisions a dental professional will make, impacting everything from patient care to practice efficiency. As a leading distributor of dental supplies, equipment, and technology, Henry Schein offers a vast array of products and services designed to meet the diverse needs of modern dental practices. Navigating this extensive catalog can be daunting, but understanding what sets Henry Schein apart is key to making an informed choice that aligns with your practice's unique goals and budget. Number 5. Santamedical Dual Color OLED Pulse Oximeter. Experience highly accurate and reliable readings every time. This device has been clinically tested to ensure precision for your oxygen and pulse measurements. Its thoughtful design accommodates nearly all finger sizes, making it suitable for everyone from children to adults. It's easy to use for any age. For those who push their limits, this is your ideal companion. Use it during intense sports like mountain climbing, running, or biking to monitor your performance. Read your SpO2 levels and pulse rate clearly on the Brite OLED display, even in the dark or direct sunlight. It shows real-time data effortlessly. Lightweight and easy to carry, this device fits conveniently into your life. It's designed for use on the go, wherever your adventures take you. What we like. This device offers exceptionally accurate readings, making it a reliable choice for monitoring oxygen and pulse. If you are a sports enthusiast or an aviation user, its compact design and clear display in any lighting condition will be highly beneficial. For those who need a dependable and user-friendly monitor for various age groups, this is an excellent option. What people say. The Henry Schein system is incredibly user-friendly, making it easy to navigate and manage patient information. Its robust reporting features provide valuable insights into practice performance, helping to optimize operations. The integration capabilities with other dental software are seamless, enhancing overall workflow efficiency. Number 4. Retainer Brite Cleaning Tablets. Introducing Retainer Brite, the ultimate cleaning solution for your removable dental appliances. Keep your clear retainers, aligners, and mouthguards fresh and odor-free. Simply soak your dental appliances daily for the best results. These fast-acting tablets are easy to use and designed for maximum effectiveness. Perfect for Invisalign, night guards, sports mouthguards, and wire retainers. They ensure your appliances remain clear, bright, and fresh. Each package contains 120 individually wrapped tablets, providing a 4-month supply. That's a generous amount to keep your smile pristine. Proudly made in the USA, our cleaning tablets are formulated for quality and performance. Experience the difference for yourself. These tablets are also effective when used with ultrasonic cleaners, offering versatile cleaning options for your convenience. What we like. Keep your clear retainers, aligners, and mouthguards fresh and clean with these easy-to-use tablets. If you are looking for a convenient way to maintain the hygiene of your removable dental appliances daily, this product offers a fast-acting solution. With a generous 4-month supply, it's an economical choice for consistent care. What people say. The Henry Schein system is very user-friendly and easy to navigate. The software integrates seamlessly with other practice management tools, improving workflow efficiency. Henry Schein offers a comprehensive suite of features that cater to various dental practice needs. Number 3. Aqua Dental Tools Teeth Cleaning Kit. A toothbrush can only clean visible surfaces. Our powerful tools reach the spots you miss, ensuring a thorough clean every time. With the included mirror, you can see every inch inside your mouth. This allows for a precise clean, ensuring no area is overlooked. Achieve professional hygiene at home and say goodbye to complicated dentist visits. Keep your teeth and gums perfect for a healthy, bright smile. Our complete kit includes everything you need for professional hygiene, like a mirror, scaler, scraper, and pick. It's available in multiple colors to suit your style. Elevate your daily tooth care with our kit. It's perfect for complementing whitening treatments and is made from premium surgical-grade stainless steel for durability. Our mission is to help you improve your dental hygiene. These high-quality tools deliver fast results, helping you build better habits for a healthier smile. What we like. Achieve a professional-level clean at home with this comprehensive dental tool kit. If you want to go beyond what a toothbrush can do and ensure plaque and tartar are thoroughly removed, this set is ideal. Its dental mirror and precision tools allow you to see and clean every inch, helping you impress your dentist with superior oral hygiene. What people say. The Schein system is very user-friendly and easy to navigate. I appreciate the comprehensive reporting features that allow for detailed analysis of practice performance. The integration with other dental software is seamless, saving time and reducing manual data entry. Number 2. Dixie EMS Deluxe Aneroid Sphygmomanometer. Introducing the Dixie EMS Deluxe Aneroid Sphygmomanometer, your reliable partner for precise blood pressure readings. Designed for accuracy and ease of use. This comprehensive set includes an adult cuff, a durable carrying case, and a calibration tool. Everything you need for professional-grade monitoring is right here. Its user-friendly design ensures quick and simple operation. Plus, the included tool makes calibration a breeze, ensuring consistent accuracy over time. Crafted in a sleek black finish, this device is built to last. The included carrying case makes it easy to transport and protect wherever you go. Trust in the quality and reliability of this essential medical instrument. It's perfect for healthcare professionals and home users alike. Take control of your health with accurate and accessible blood pressure monitoring. This tool provides the confidence you need for effective health management. What we like. This is a reliable set for monitoring blood pressure. If you need a complete and portable solution for taking accurate readings, this sphygmomanometer with an adult cuff and carrying case is a practical choice. It includes a calibration tool to ensure ongoing accuracy, making it suitable for home or clinical use. What people say. The Schein system is very user-friendly and easy to navigate. The software integrates seamlessly with other practice management tools, improving workflow efficiency. Schein offers a comprehensive suite of features that cater to various dental practice needs. Number 1. Blue Butter Hot Spot Treatment Gel. Is your pet suffering from itchy, irritated skin? Blue Butter Hot Spot Gel provides fast relief from discomfort, helping to soothe their skin and stop the scratching. Keep this essential first aid solution on hand for all your pet's skin needs. It's perfect for treating wounds, cuts, rashes, and other irritations. This gel effectively disinfects wounds, creating the perfect environment for healing. It helps prevent skin infections and starts working from the very first application. Our formula is safe and non-toxic for your pet. For best results, prevent licking and scratching by using a cone or dressing, allowing the product to work effectively. Enjoy the pleasant time scent while the blue color helps you easily see where it's applied. This ensures complete coverage for effective treatment. Proudly made in the USA, we offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Trust Blue Butter for your pet's skin health and well-being. What we like. This gel provides effective relief for skin irritation, itching, and hot spots in pets. If your dog or cat is suffering from skin yeast infections, cuts, or rashes, this first aid solution promotes healing and disinfects wounds. Its pleasant smell and unique blue color for visualization make it a convenient and safe choice for your pet's wound care needs. What people say. The Schein system is very user-friendly and easy to navigate. I appreciate the comprehensive reporting features that allow for detailed analysis of practice performance. The integration with other dental software and hardware is seamless, making it a versatile solution. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.